There's a move on the dummy where we're here and we come, I'm just gonna do one hand. We're gonna come around here, we extend, and then we lower, okay? So in that move, there's a few things that's happening. What you're first doing is you're doing an upper gaun. From here, you hewn. Keep your elbow in, don't let your elbow fly out. So upper gaun, hewn, jiao. Ask the question. And the question is, you're gonna let me get to your center. Assuming they're giving you compressive energy back, you lower with we call this a mut. Some people call it a jut. But you come around, here, ask, and down, okay? And it's the same thing on a person. You feel that energy coming in, you're coming, let's say you're here on a person. You feel that energy coming in, you're coming around them. You can use footwork to get there, but you can't let your elbow get stopped from being in between you and them. You fight from behind your elbow. So then as you do that, you come around, you ask the question, assuming you cannot get in, that's when you lower. And then guess what's open? Release that. So tan first, release the hand, keep your elbow, come around, extend, mut. So here, go that way, jiao around, good. Ask the question, and then mut, okay? Now we're trying to do that in a fluid way, right? Boom, boom, oh, you got your hand. Don't let that hand get stuck. This is all about your elbow and your bridge. Boom, boom, ah, you got your hand. See how your hand got stuck? That's the quote, not that way. To my center. All right. Yes, look at the difference. Boom. Ah, yes, right. Boom. You got stuck again. Get out of that hand.
Got it,
right? So, boom, boom. Release that. So, tan first. Release the hand. Keep your elbow. Come around. Extend. Mut. Boom, boom. And you got caught in the hand again. Man, it's got to be out of that hand when you jiao. Yes. Ask. Mut.